Okay, so a bit of a different video today. I'm gonna go down to Japfest, and Nissan Manchester Westway have been good enough to lend me the Nissan Ariya. So what I'm gonna do is a real world test of the range. It's gonna be quite a long journey. It's 3 hours there, 3 hours back, 170 miles or so there, 170 miles back. What I've done is I'll just show you here. I've actually put the destination in the navigation system, and it's already told me the route planned with charging stations in mind as well, which is, I think, is really good. And it uses inbuilt Google Maps, so it's dead easy. It all comes up in a heads-up display. The only issue is you can't use that with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You're just gonna have to use it on the screen. I'm on 62% there, 155 miles on the range. It's actually going to take more to get there. As you can see, 165. I should get there for about 20 to 12. So let's see how we get on. I just thought I'd grab a coffee a bit early, and it's took me to a service station in the centre of Knutsford, and I just thought it said a Shell recharge, quick recharge. I've turned up and there's one, and there's someone already using it. The gentleman was kind. He just said there's one up the road, and it's just started taking it. It takes like a £25 transaction holding card payment. So as you can see, that is now charging. I'll just charge it for a bit just to show what inner city charging is like. Okay, so I'm finished charging. I've got 91%, 239 miles. So I'm gonna unplug it and head to Silverstone now. If you do enjoy this content, which I'm hoping you do, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. So I've arrived at Silverstone, here on 69 miles, so I'm down to 29%. Got here absolutely fine. I actually did a track day here last year, and I'll put the video on there if you want to have a look at that, and an Aston Martin V8. Anyhow, I'm getting a lot of looks because this is quite a controversial car. Everything else is petrol, full of petrol heads, and I'm here pretty much representing the future. I feel like a big kid now, but look at that. World Rally Team, WRX STI, Peter Solberg. Come on lads, Japanese cars, Mitsubishi Lancer, Civic. So I've enjoyed my time here at Silverstone. We've had a look around. I think it's time to head back. I'll do a range update on the Ariya as well. So I'm just pulling away from Silverstone now, and I'm on 60 miles. It's currently 162 miles to get back home. I've just used the routing on the Google Maps. It shows that there's a stop-off point across on this video. I didn't want it to look like I've planned all my route stops and that. So, because it's not every day that you're going to want to plan where you kind of go. Sometimes you want a bit of an adventure. So I was just about to pull up to my second stop, and I just saw another 50 kilowatt charger here. So I thought, you know what, I'll just grab this one now while it's here. It's quite a slow charger, so I'm going to try and find a fast charger, but it just charged me £16 for about 20% battery increase. It'll take about an hour and a half for full, but I'm going to go try a Tesla charger, a rapid charger, about 9 minutes away. I've pulled up at Rugby service station, tried to use a Tesla fast rapid charging station, but you need to download the app. Didn't have enough data to do so. I found another station called Tritium, and it's got 105 kilowatt charging, so that seems to be doing it a lot faster. It's going to take an hour, I think, for a full charge. We'll see how that goes, but yeah. I think the moral of the story is make sure you know where your charging points are and which are the fast ones, because they're full. All the booths here, there's like 8, and most of them are full. Okay, that's it. We've got a full charge now. That's 253 miles, 99%, near enough full. Took about an hour. So yeah, I'm ready to go. So I've averaged roughly throughout the day 3 miles per kilowatt hour, and remember that is also down to how you drive as well. So if you're switching into different modes, say sport mode, remember that will affect your figure. But if you put it into eco a lot, obviously that would raise the average as well. But yeah, overall that's not too bad. And then I've got you the averages there just so you can have a look, and I've come back with roughly 33%, 73 miles as well. Well, that's all. Really enjoyed today. Japfest, it's been brilliant. It's good to see all the types of Japanese cars as well. I know I'm in a Japanese car today, but yeah, it's really good how people connect together through these events. Sort of bit of racing as well from owners who can take their own cars onto the Silverstone track. I think that was really good as well. The Nissan Ariya has been great, really nice to drive. Can have a bit of fun with that torque as well. On the whole, it does the job well. It's just the infrastructure I don't think is there. If you're someone a bit like me, leaves everything to last minute and kind of wants to go on adventures and stuff, then an electric car can kind of be a little bit limiting at times. But again, thanks to Nissan Westway for letting me take the Ariya out down to Silverstone today. I hope to see you on the next one. If you'd like to know more, I will leave a link in the description below on the Nissan Ariya. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.